So hello family and friends, I hope this video finds you well, and we are here from Poland, Club the Ultrace, from the main stadium. This is the biggest show of Europe for a static car show and fun drifting. It's not a competition, but it's just a drifting entertainment or a drifting show with a lot of nice drifting cars. They really look epic. They might not be the most powerful ones. There might be not 1,000 horsepower drift cars, maybe a couple, but they certainly look beautiful. And other than that, it's a big stadium with a lot of static cars, something really looking really good. Very special cars, very special builds. You don't get bored. Just remember to buy your tickets about 6 months before the show, because they get sold out so quickly, and we were lucky to find our ways in this year. But definitely for next year, we're buying them in December, so stay tuned for that. That's gonna be epic for next year. But for this year, I'll keep you up with the beautiful cars, and here comes the show. So, ladies and gentlemen and friends and family, we are just concluding our 2 days trip here in Poland with Club the Ultrace. What an epic event, what an amazing place to be. I mean, if you are into beautiful cars, you should not miss. This is the biggest event that you can come to in Europe when it comes to static car show. I mean, you've seen a lot of footage, a lot of beautiful cars. Like, I'm speechless how nice the cars are. Stay tuned, we're gonna cover up more next to Faro, and we're going to judge Drift Wars. Stay tuned for that. That's gonna be even another epic series. See you then.